Let me ask you something. What would $50,000 in your bank account mean for you right now? Imagine the relief of paying off debts, the freedom to invest in your dreams, or the confidence of knowing you're finally in control of your financial future. Now, I know what you might be thinking. $50,000 sounds like a lot, and maybe it feels out of reach. But here's the truth. This isn't about luck or working endless hours. It's about learning how to play the game of money smarter, not harder. The real question is, are you ready to discover how to make this happen for you, starting today? Because the $50,000 is already waiting for you. It's just a matter of unlocking it. In this video, I'll show you 3 secret techniques that are simple, practical, and designed to deliver results in record time. These aren't just theories. They've been used by thousands of people to completely transform their income, and you're about to join them. Stay with me for the next 15 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to break free from financial limits and start creating real wealth, faster than you ever thought possible. Let's dive in. If you want to make $50,000 in record time, the first step is mastering the wealth magnet mindset. Let me explain what this means. Most people unknowingly repel money because they're stuck in a scarcity mindset. They think thoughts like, money is hard to come by, or I'll never make enough. These beliefs act like a wall, blocking financial opportunities before they can even reach you. But here's the good news. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have, and when you program it for abundance, you'll start attracting money in ways that almost feel effortless. Think of your mind like a magnet. Right now, it's tuned to whatever you believe about money. So if you believe there's never enough, that's exactly what you'll experience. But if you shift those beliefs to, I am capable of earning more than I ever imagined, or money flows to me easily and frequently, you'll start to notice doors opening that you didn't even know were there. Opportunities, ideas, and even connections will suddenly show up because your brain is now trained to see them. Here's how to put this into practice. Spend 5 minutes every morning visualizing yourself already having that $50,000. See it in your account, imagine what you'll do with it, and feel the emotions of gratitude and excitement as if it's already yours. Why? Because your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you vividly imagine. By doing this, you're essentially tricking your mind into believing the $50,000 is already on its way, and your actions will naturally align with making it happen. This isn't magic, it's science. When you combine belief with focus, you activate what's called your reticular activating system. It's the part of your brain that filters out distractions and helps you zero in on the things that matter most. So, if you're focused on abundance, you'll start noticing opportunities to create wealth everywhere you look. That's the power of the wealth magnet mindset. And trust me, when you master this, you'll see just how quickly your financial reality can change. The second technique is all about using the 80-20th strategy for financial leverage, and this is where things get practical. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, states that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. When it comes to making money, this principle can completely transform how you approach your time and energy. Instead of working harder, this strategy shows you how to focus on the activities that deliver the highest return. Let's break this down. Most people spend their time doing low-impact tasks, answering emails, scrolling through social media, or chasing every opportunity that comes their way. But the truth is, not all tasks are created equal. In fact, only a small percentage of what you do each day truly moves the needle toward your financial goals. The secret is identifying the 20% of actions that will give you 80% of the results. For example, if you're in sales, that 20% might be spending more time closing deals instead of organizing spreadsheets. If you're a freelancer, it could mean focusing on high-paying clients rather than accepting every gig that comes your way. And if you're building a side hustle, it might mean doubling down on the one product or service that's already working instead of spreading yourself too thin. The key is to identify the few activities that create the most value and go all in on them. But here's the catch. This requires discipline. It means saying no to distractions and resisting the urge to multitask. Start by looking at everything you do in a day and ask yourself, is this task directly contributing to my goal of making $50,000? If the answer is no, delegate it, automate it, or drop it altogether. Your time is your most valuable asset, and when you focus it on the right things, your income will skyrocket. The beauty of the 80-20 strategy is that it multiplies your results without requiring you to work more hours. It's not about grinding harder, it's about working smarter. Once you master this, you'll see how much faster you can reach your financial goals by leveraging the power of focus and prioritization. This is how you take control of your time and turn it into your greatest weapon for building wealth. The third technique is unlocking high-income skills quickly, and this is the game changer that will set you apart. A high-income skill is any skill that can generate significant income, often independent of a traditional job or employer. These skills are in high demand and can pay you thousands of dollars for just a few hours of work. Think of things like copywriting, digital marketing, coding, public speaking, or consulting. The best part? You don't need years of experience to get started. What you need is a focused plan to develop the skill and start monetizing it as fast as possible. The first step is identifying a skill that aligns with your interests and strengths, but also has market demand. For example, if you're good with words, copywriting could be your path. If you're analytical, data analysis or coding might be the way to go. The key is choosing something that not only excites you but also solves a specific problem for others, because that's what people pay for: solutions. Next, instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on the 20% of the skill that will get you 80% of the results. For instance, if you're learning copywriting, you don't need to master every type of writing. Start by learning how to write compelling headlines and emails, because those are the moneymakers. If you're diving into digital marketing, focus on one platform, like Facebook or Google Ads, and get really good at running campaigns there. Mastery comes faster when you narrow your focus. But here's where most people get stuck. They spend months learning without taking action. The secret is to learn while you earn. As soon as you've got a basic understanding of the skill, start offering your services, even if it's at a lower rate, to build experience. Take on small projects, freelance gigs, or even offer your services to friends and family for free at first. The real learning happens when you're doing the work, and every project builds your confidence and portfolio. High-income skills also allow you to leverage your time. Once you've mastered the basics, you can charge premium rates because your expertise solves problems faster and more effectively than others. And as your skill grows, so does your income potential. The faster you focus on learning and monetizing a high-income skill, the sooner you'll see those $50,000 or more flowing into your life. This isn't about taking a slow path to success. It's about accelerating your growth and positioning yourself for financial freedom. Now that you've learned the 3 techniques, it's time to combine them for maximum results. Think of each technique as a piece of a puzzle. On their own, they're powerful, but together, they create unstoppable momentum toward your $50,000 goal. Let's break down how they work seamlessly together to accelerate your success. First, it all starts with the wealth magnet mindset. This is your foundation. If you're not aligned mentally with the belief that you can achieve this goal, you'll sabotage yourself before you even get started. By visualizing your success daily, reinforcing positive beliefs about money, and focusing on abundance, you're programming your mind to act like a magnet for opportunities. But here's the thing, it doesn't stop at mindset. Your belief system must guide your actions, and that's where the other 2 techniques come into play. Next, the 80-20 strategy ensures you're not wasting time on low-value activities. When you pair this with the wealth magnet mindset, you'll start to see which tasks are worth your time and which aren't. With your belief system firing on all cylinders, you'll naturally gravitate toward the 20% of activities that produce 80% of your results. This means spending more time on high-impact tasks, like mastering your high-income skill, closing deals, or networking with the right people. By cutting out distractions and doubling down on what truly moves the needle, you create a laser-focused approach that gets you results faster. Finally, your high-income skill becomes the vehicle that ties everything together. While your mindset attracts the opportunities and the 80-20 strategy helps you prioritize them, your high-income skill is what allows you to monetize them. For example, when you focus on mastering a skill like copywriting, consulting, or sales, you're not just creating an income stream. You're building a scalable way to earn more in less time. This is where the magic happens. Your mindset drives you to believe you're worth premium rates. Your focus ensures you're spending time on the most profitable parts of your skill, and suddenly, you're making money faster than you thought possible. The synergy of these 3 techniques is undeniable. They reinforce each other and create a system that works like a well-oiled machine. The mindset attracts abundance, the strategy ensures you're efficient with your time, and the skill provides the financial leverage you need to hit your goal. When you combine them, you'll notice that the $50,000 isn't just a number anymore. It's a tangible reality waiting for you to claim it. All you have to do is take the first step and trust the process. On the journey to making $50,000 in record time, the biggest roadblocks aren't the challenges you face. They're the mistakes you make along the way. The truth is, even with the right techniques, a few wrong turns can slow your progress or even stop you altogether. So, let's talk about the biggest mistakes to avoid to ensure your success stays on track. The first mistake is getting stuck in a scarcity mindset. It's easy to fall back into thoughts like, "This isn't working fast enough," or "I'm not capable of earning that much money." These beliefs creep in when results don't come as quickly as you expect, and they can derail your focus. The key is to stay consistent with your wealth magnet mindset, even when progress feels slow. Remember, your thoughts are the fuel for your actions. If you let doubt take over, you'll unconsciously hold yourself back from the opportunities that could lead to your breakthrough. The second mistake is trying to do too much at once. This happens when you ignore the 80-20 strategy and attempt to tackle every opportunity or task that comes your way. The result? Burnout and frustration. Instead of spreading yourself thin, stay laser-focused on the 20% of activities that drive the most results. Trying to be everywhere and do everything not only wastes your time but dilutes your energy and prevents you from making real progress. Simplicity and focus are your greatest allies on this journey. Another common mistake is hesitating to take action because you're waiting for perfection. This is especially true when it comes to developing high-income skills. Many people get stuck in a cycle of endless learning, thinking they need to master every detail before they start offering their services. But the reality is, perfection isn't required to make money. Action is. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll miss out on valuable opportunities to learn, grow, and earn along the way. Start where you are, use what you have, and trust that you'll improve with every step. Lastly, a critical mistake is underestimating the power of momentum. When you take consistent, aligned actions, even small ones, they build on each other to create massive results over time. But stopping or losing focus can kill that momentum and make it harder to get back on track. The solution is simple. Commit to showing up every day, no matter how small the action. Even if you only make a little progress, you're still moving forward. Avoiding these mistakes is just as important as using the right techniques. When you stay consistent, focused, and open to the process, you'll find that making $50,000 in record time isn't just possible, it's inevitable. The key is to keep going, trust the system, and refuse to let these common pitfalls hold you back. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. You've now got everything you need to start your $50,000 transformation. 3 powerful techniques that, when combined, can create life-changing results. But here's the thing. Knowing these strategies isn't enough. The real change happens when you take action. So, let me ask you, what's one step you can take today to start applying what you've just learned? Maybe it's spending 5 minutes visualizing your success. Maybe it's identifying the 20% of tasks that will make the biggest impact. Or maybe it's committing to learn a high-income skill that can unlock new opportunities. Whatever it is, don't wait. The longer you delay, the more time you lose. Remember, the $50,000 isn't just a goal. It's a reflection of what you're capable of achieving. You already have the tools within you to make it happen. All that's left is to take that first step. And here's the best part. Every small action you take compounds over time. That momentum will carry you farther than you ever imagined, but only if you start. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone else who needs this transformation. And before you go, make a commitment right now. Comment below with the one technique you're going to focus on first. Let's make this the moment you take control of your financial future. The opportunity is here, waiting for you. Don't let it pass you by. Your $50,000 transformation starts today.